guys, so we're here at the Circuit L'Anneau du Rhin, my first time here, and yeah, today we're gonna practice some pit stops for the race. It's 2 hours before the race. Nicolas will do the start, and then I will come in. Hopefully we can get a very nice podium. Alright, so for the so for the race we have to do a mandatory pit stop. So Nicolas will come in. We will have 1 minute to drive in the pits, out of the pits, and we have around 40 seconds to do a drive change. So we're gonna now practice the drive change, do it as quickly as possible. We should be good to do it in 30 seconds, would be good. So now let's do a drive change. Ja.
Wacht, ja. Goed, doe maar. Vooruit. Vooruit. Aantrekken.
Ja, aantrekken. Yes. Alright guys, so we just finished the race. It was P1, a massive gap of like 8 seconds. Yeah, car was feeling quite okay. We used quite an old set for this race, so there's even more potential for the coming races. Let's see what we can do. So I went from P3, we boxed really early, I was P3, and then I had a mega stint of like 50 minutes, and then the other guys boxed. I came in front of them and we controlled the race, so very happy with that, and a massive thanks to the team. Alright guys, so we are ready for race 2. Last race we won, so obviously we want another P1, would be lovely. And then yeah, in race 3 we get all the points, so hopefully we finish this race in P1 and then we can start in P1 for race 3 and then hopefully get the necessary points. Dat is...
Come on Pieter.
Helemaal goed.
Ja.
Yes. So we just finished the second race. My teammate made some small mistakes. Unfortunately, he ended in P3 with a gap of like 35 seconds. So I had to make up 35 seconds. And in the end, I was closing in really fast. I was like 12 seconds behind. And then I came across the Audi. We had a really good fight. You saw the onboards, of course. It was mega fun, but unfortunately I couldn't overtake them. They are really, really quick on the straight, so yeah, it was very difficult. I will only do the next race, and then hopefully we can get that P1. Bye. Clear. 3. So that's it for race 3. We were doing a great job. We were in P3 and then eventually we had a undercut because I was stuck behind another car. We had some really fast laps and I managed to close the gap. In the end, if the strategy played out, we would have won with an easy gap of like 10 seconds. So very unfortunate that a full course yellow came out, because the other guys could stop with the full course yellow and they gained a lot of time. But yeah, nevertheless, quite happy, very happy with the pace and the performance of the car and the team. So yeah, let's continue to push, and thank you very much for watching.